Oops. Alright, this is test run.
Test run. Oh! You ready?
I'm ready.
How'd you move back?
Patrick Kane. I'm going to try and jump the Corsica. Oh, he did it! Where is it?
The wheels are spinning in the water. Yeah.
And it didn't break.
What if you moved back and got more speed? I'll do it.
Ready? Well, you didn't have enough speed.
Yeah, you would have.
You didn't have enough speed?
Gotta move back. The further away you are, the faster it'll go. You need to get the mojo.
Get the mojo in the circle. Warm up over there. Oh, we got it out of there. All right, here he comes.
Yeah, you're right. Battery's dying too, I think. Doesn't grab the cement good enough, huh? Blacktop? Yeah, I gotta check some stuff.
Uh-oh.
No, I gotta check my gear ratio. Might be able to get a little.
What do you have to check? And what is that gear ratio supposed to be?
Well, I don't think it's took a good charge because it's it.
All right, we'll be back after gear ratio check.